In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Tag Manager on your Wix website. This process will help you effectively manage and deploy marketing tags on your site, which is crucial for tracking and optimizing your online presence. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a smooth installation. First things first, open your Wix website by logging into your Wix account. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, take a moment to explore the user-friendly interface that Wix offers. It's designed to make managing your website as straightforward as possible. Now, we need to navigate to the settings. You'll find the Settings option typically located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This section provides a robust range of controls over various aspects of your site, from basic info to advanced features. Next, you'll want to use the search bar found within the settings. This tool is handy for quickly finding what you need from the myriad of options available. In the search bar, type in Marketing Integration. This will help us locate the specific area where we can connect Google Tag Manager. Once you've entered Marketing Integration into the search bar, you should see the relevant option pop up. Click on it to proceed. After clicking, you'll be directed to another page specifically focused on marketing integrations. Here, you'll find several options related to different marketing tools and services that you can integrate with your Wix site. Among these, you should see Google Tag. Click on the Connect button next to it. This step is crucial as it allows us to start implementing Google Tag Manager on your site. At this point, it's important to mention that you need to have a Wix Premium plan to successfully connect Google Tag Manager. If you're on a free plan, you won't be able to take advantage of this feature, so consider upgrading if you haven't already. Having a premium plan not only allows for this integration, but also provides additional benefits like removing Wix ads and using a custom domain. Remember, integrating Google Tag Manager is instrumental in tracking visitor behavior and enhancing your marketing strategies. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards optimizing your website's performance and gaining valuable insights into your audience. If you have any questions or run into any issues during this process, feel free to revisit this guide or check the Wix Help Center for additional support. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your website enhancement efforts. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will help you get the most out of your Wix experience.